Wow, look at that. The music room, built in the 80s, probably started in the 70s, flooded out. So lucky for us, the instruments weren't damaged, so we started to rebuild. 2 layers of carpet, and if you can see that 1970s pattern, woo! And the padding on the bottom was turned to dust and mud. Plywood paneling, time to go. Time to replace the rotted out window frame. The paneling was super thin, so it was easy to break up and get rid of. We built a new frame for the windows. Drywalling was fun. It's kind of like a big jigsaw puzzle. You cut the pieces to fit, and look at that, perfect. We put these acoustic tiles on the roof, and they really make a difference. And the tiling, the hardest part. Ouch. Here we go. We did it. I built a bench for the keyboard out of dimensional lumber, just finished it with some drywall, painted it the same color. Matches perfectly. All the instruments are back where they belong, ready to make some music. Neko-chan and I thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.